Dude, where's my car? Next.
CapeCast.
Howdy folks, I'm Eric Williams and welcome to CapeCast, the official webcast of the Cape Cod Times. Did you ever park your car and forget where it was for maybe 60 or 70 years? Well, that seems to have happened here in the woods. We're about a mile, I think, southeast of the Pilgrim Heights area at the Cape Cod National Seashore here in North Truro. And deep in the woods, an old, intriguing car. We're trying to put together what kind of car this might be. We see the door here. One of the interesting things, it's got two cranks, two handles to put up the window, where ancient car windows really heavy. We just can't figure this out. We're thinking maybe in the 40s. And there's also some evidence that it might be from a town off Cape. We flipped one of these doors over, and sure enough, you can see it here. City of Quincy, then down, just barely legible, Engineering Department, DEPT. What is the story? How did it end up out here in North Truro? Decades ago? Some kind of getaway that got away? Who knows? We were clued into this car by the folks at the Cape Cod National Seashore. In this picture, taken about 2003, the car's in much better shape. We've got a call placed to the city of Quincy to see if we can find out more. Maybe you folks know more about this. If you can help us identify the make or model of this car or know how it got into the woods, please drop us a line, CapeCast at CapeCodOnline.com. Mystery! Well, folks, it's been a big mystery out here in the woods of Truro, but we got to get going. Meep, meep. See you later!
CapeCast.
What is it going to take for me to put you in this car today? Sure, it's got some wear on it. There's the rust on the roof, no roof really, or wheels or an engine, but let me tell you, you get in this car deep in the woods of North Truro, you can just relax.